Good morning, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for Biblical Traditions, week 921. We will continue with what we started last week. So last week we had our last quiz over our first unit, which was a sprint through the entire Bible, from Genesis all the way to the book of Revelation, where we got the main books and sections of the Catholic Old Testament. We have the entire outline from Genesis to the book of Revelation with the main characters, main themes, and you took a quiz on that, and you took a quiz on the overall, understanding of the Bible. So now we're moving into specific biblical traditions, diving in deeper. And so the first biblical traditions that we're looking at will be in the Psalms. And we will continue to look at orientation, disorientation, and new orientation. And remember, what we're starting with in all of these biblical traditions is real people living in the real world having real experiences. And so the experience of orientation, a satisfied season of well-being that evokes gratitude for the consistency of blessing. And that is an experience, and when they have that experience, the ancient Israelites, and they relate it to God, they see God as a loving creator God that blesses and a compassionate God that calls for justice. So we'll look at how they image God based on their experiences of orientation. Same thing with disorientation and new orientation this week. That will take the first couple days, and then you will be assigned a psalm presentation. This is a project where you'll work with one other person and perhaps two other. One group might have three if there's an uneven amount of people in class. Of course, if you want to work alone, you can. And so you'll get that psalm presentation assignment. There will be a short essay that you do with it, and then a psalm worksheet. Now, all of these will be assigned this week. You'll have time to do them in class, but they won't be due until next week. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, please contact me. Have a great day.